Hi, this is Alan Pittman. This is SATC 420. The date is October 21st, 2019. This is my audit plan. Did my audit on a local company headquartered in New Orleans, Louisiana. The name of this company is International Matex Tank Terminals. It is an industry leader in the handling and storage of bulk liquid products through the ownership and operation of 19 terminals throughout North America. The terminals handle petroleum, biofluids, chemicals, and other vegetable, tropical oil products for customers including refineries, traders, and chemical manufacturers and distributors. Entity was established by James J. Coleman Sr. in 1939 with the purchase of the Avondale, Louisiana terminal. Over the following 75 years, the Coleman family expanded the enterprise to become one of the largest third-party providers in bulk liquid storage and handling services in the United States. My audit plan is on educational training, awareness, and competence for IMT. The objective of my audit plan is to define and assess the occupational health and safety management systems competence needed for employees and contractors. Ensure through appropriate education, training, or other methods that employees and contractors are aware of applicable occupational health safety management systems required and are competent to carry out their responsibilities to define and the occupational health safety management systems. Ensure effectiveness access to remove barriers to participate in educational and training as defined in organizational occupational health safety management systems. Ensure that training is provided in a language trainees understand, and ensure the trainers are competent to train employees. The scope. IMT is to be audited on education, training, awareness of the company. The organization must comply with ANSI C10. Employees must be properly educated and trained and be aware of IMT tanks, facilities, and procedures. The audit plan. The audit criteria in any references document. Addressing evacuation routes and procedures and training members at all levels of the organization. After every emergency or drill, the organization should evaluate the effectiveness of this plan, correct any deficiencies, and identify opportunities for improvement. The evacuation procedures should address individuals with special needs. Emergency preparedness plans should be documented. The dates and places where the on-site audit activities are to be conducted. The audit will take place once a year, October 21st, 2019 at 11842 River Road, St. Louis, Louisiana, 70087. The expected time and duration for the on-site audit activities include meeting times with the auditees, management, and audit team members. The team and duration for the audit activities will take 4 hours for IMT employees to do. There will be 3 audit teams that are expected to audit. The roles and responsibilities of the audit team members and accompanying persons. Audit team must include in the basic training of the employees on the performance of their job. This includes other individuals as defined by the organization, not employers, but who perform work for the organization's training and occupational health safety management system responsibilities should include, for example, training for engineers and safety design. Those conduct incident investigation and audits for identify underlying occupational health safety management system deficiencies. Example of hazard-related training included training in hazard identifications, good safety practices, and the use of personal protective equipment. The identification of the auditee's representatives for the audit team members will be listed. The working and reported language of the audit, where this is different from the language of the auditors or the auditees. The audit will be written in English and reported in English. The audit report topics. The audit report topics will be training and education and competence. And the logistic arrangements for the travel and on-site facilities, the storage tanks and facilities around IMT will all be audited on. Thank you for listening to my audit plan.